Hello, my name is Arturo, and this video I will present the integration and operation of the connected manufacturing cells. Here we can see the manufacturing cell connecting as part of the same automatic system. Each, each cell has sensor and architecture that control the movement of the pieces throughout the process. The control logic is programmed in TIA portal and is created by a PLC. The PLC receives the signal from the sensor and activated corresponding output. During this process, the pieces move from one section and another while both cell operation and connection are sequenced. Here we can observe the operation of the conveyor sensor and different sections of the system. The communication between both cells allows complete the manufacturing process operation automatically. We can also monitor the status of the process and verify the operation of the system in real time. Finally, we can see both manufacturing cells and working together correctly. This completes the unit here practice. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget like. I see you.